Hari Bol, Dandot Pranam. So I was reciting Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita of Srila Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami. Today I am going to read from the 7th chapter of Madhya Lila. This is my third part of the same. Due to some technical problems, I could not complete it. So I am going to start it. But before starting, let me pray to Srila Gurudev, to the Guru Parampara, to the Supreme Lord and His loving associates. Om Ajnanatirmirandhasya Jnananjanashalakaya Chakshurunmilitamena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Deenabandhu Jagatpate Gopesha Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namostute Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Rishabhanu Sute Devi Pranamami Hari Priye. Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Sri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. So first I am going to recite text 82 to 90. देखी नित्यानंद प्रभु कहे भक्त गणे यही रूपे नृत्य आगे होइबे ग्रामे ग्रामे अतिकाल हैला लोक छाड़िया ना जाए तबे नित्यानंद गोसाई सृजिला उपाय मध्यान करित गेला प्रभु के लैया ताहा देखी लोक आई से चौदी के धाइया मध्यान करिया आइला देवता मंदिरे निजगण प्रवेशी कपाट दिल बाहिर द्वारे तबे गोपीनाथ दोई प्रभुरे भिक्षा कराइला प्रभुरा शेष प्रसाद अन्न सबे बांटी खाइला सुनी सुनी लोक सब आसी बहिर द्वारे हरि हरि बलि लोक कोलाहल करे तबे महाप्रभु द्वार कराइला मोचन आनंदे आसिया लोक पाइला दर्शन यही मत संध्या पर्यंत लोक आसे जाए वैष्णव अहिला लोक सबे नाचे गाए यही रूपे सही ठाई भक्तगण संगे सही रात्रि गोनाइला कृष्ण कथा रंगे. Translation. Upon seeing the chanting and dancing of Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Lord Nityananda predicted that later there would be dancing and chanting in every village. Seeing that it was already getting late, Lord Nityananda Prabhu, the spiritual master, invented a means to disperse the crowd. When Lord Nityananda Prabhu took Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu for lunch at noon, everyone came running around them. After finishing their baths, they returned at noon to the temple. Admitting his own men, Sri Nityananda Prabhu closed the outside door. Gopinath Acharya then brought prasadam for the two lords to eat, and after they had eaten, the remnants of the food were distributed to all the devotees. Hearing about this, everyone there came to the outside door and began chanting the holy name, Hari Hari. Thus there was a tumultuous sound. After lunch, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu made them open the door. In this way, everyone received his audience with great pleasure. The people came and went until the evening, and all of them became Vaishnava devotees and began to chant and dance. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu then passed the night there and discussed the pastimes of Lord Krishna with his devotees with great pleasure. Text 91 to 98. प्रातः काले स्नान करी करीला गमन भक्त गणे विदाय दिला करी आलिंगन मूर्छित हैया सबे भूमि ते पड़ीला ताहा सबा पाने प्रभु फिरी ना चाहिला विच्छेदे व्याकुल प्रभु चलीला दुखी हैया, पाछे कृष्णदास जाय जलपात्र लैया। भक्तगण उपवासी ताहाई रहिला, आर दिने दुखी हैया नीलाचले आइला। मत्त सिंह प्राय प्रभु प्रभु करीला गमन, प्रेमावेशी जाय करी नाम संकीर्तन। कृष्ण 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 हे, कृष्ण 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 हे, कृष्ण 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 रक्षमाम, कृष्ण 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 पाहि माम, राम राघव राम राघव राम राघव रक्षमाम, कृष्ण केशव कृष्ण केशव कृष्ण केशव पाहि माम। यही श्लोक पढ़ी पथे चलीला गौर हरि, लोक देखी पथे कहे बोल हरि हरि। सेई लोक प्रेम्य मत्त हैया बोले हरि कृष्ण, प्रभुर पाछे संगे जाय दर्शन सतृष्ण। Translation. The next morning after taking his bath, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu started on his South Indian tour. He bade farewell to the devotees by embracing them. Although they all fell to the ground unconscious, the Lord did not turn to see them, but proceeded onwards. In separation, the Lord became very much perturbed and walked on unhappily. His servant Krishnadas, who was carrying his water pot, followed behind. All the devotees remained there and fasted, and the next day they all unhappily returned to Jagannath Puri. Krishna 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 He, Krishna 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 He, Krishna 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 Rakshamam, Krishna 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 Pahi Mam, Rama Raghava Rama Raghava Rama Raghava Rakshamam, Krishna Keshava Krishna Keshava Krishna Keshava Pahi Mam. So, Lord was chanting like this, chanting this verse. Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, known as Gaurahari, went on his way. As soon as he saw someone, he would request him to chant Hari Hari. Whoever heard Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu chant Hari Hari also chanted the holy name of Lord Hari and Krishna. In this way, they all followed the Lord, very eager to see him. Text 99 to 106. कतक क्षणे रही प्रभु तारे आलिंगिया, विदाय करिला तारे शक्ति संचारिया। से जन निज ग्रामे करिया गमन, कृष्ण बलि हासे कांदे नाचे अनुक्षण। जारे देखे तारे कहे कहो कृष्ण नाम, यही मत वैष्णव कैला सब निज ग्राम। ग्रामांतर रहते देखीते आइला जत जन, तार दर्शन कृपाय है तार सम। से जय ग्रामेर लोक वैष्णव कराय, अन्य ग्रामी आसी तारे देखी वैष्णव है। से जाई आर ग्रामे करे उपदेश, ए मत वैष्णव हैला सब दक्षिण देश। ए मत पथे जाइते शत शत जन, वैष्णव करे न तारे करी आलिंगन। जय ग्रामे रही भिक्षा करे न जार गरे, से ग्रामेर जत लोक आइसे देखी बारे। Translation. After some time, the Lord would embrace these people and bid them return home, having invested each of them with spiritual potency. Each of these empowered persons would return to his own village, always chanting the holy name of Krishna and sometimes laughing, crying and dancing. Such an empowered person would request everyone and anyone, whomever he saw, to chant the holy name of Krishna. In this way, all the villagers would also become devotees of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. People from different villages who came to see such an empowered individual would become like him simply by seeing him and receiving the mercy of his glance. When each of these newly empowered individuals returned to his own village, he also converted the villagers into devotees. And when others came from different villages to see him, they were also converted. In this way, as empowered men went from one village to another, all the people of South India became devotees. Thus, many hundreds of people became Vaishnavas when they passed the Lord on the way and were embraced by him. In whatever village Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu stayed to accept alms, many people came to see him. Text 107 to 113. प्रभुर कृपाय है महाभागवत से सब आचार्य हैया तारीला जगत ऐ मत कैला जावत गेला सेतु बंधे सर्वदेश वैष्णव हैला प्रभुर संबंधे नवद्वीपे जय शक्ति ना कैला प्रकाश सही शक्ति प्रकाशी निस्तारिला दक्षिण देशे प्रभु के जे भजे तारे तार कृपा है सही से ये सब लीला सत्य करी लय अलौकिक लीलाए जार ना है विश्वास यह लोक परलोक तार है नाश प्रथमे कहिला प्रभुर जे रूपे गमन ऐ मत जानी हो जावत दक्षिण भ्रमण ऐ मत जायते जायते गेला कूर्म स्थाने कूर्म देखी कैला तारे स्तवन प्रणामे. Translation. By the mercy of the Supreme Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, all these persons became first-class devotees. Later they became teachers or spiritual masters and liberated the entire world. In this way the Lord went to the extreme southern part of India and he converted all the provinces to Vaishnavism. Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu did not manifest his spiritual potencies at Navadvip, but he did manifest them in South India and liberated all the people there. Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's empowering of others can be understood by one who is actually a devotee of the Lord and who has received his mercy. If one does not believe in the uncommon transcendental pastimes of the Lord, he is vanquished both in this world and in the next. Whatever I have stated about the beginning of the Lord's tour should also be understood to hold for as long as the Lord toured South India. When Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came to the holy place known as Kurma Kshetra, he saw the deity and offered prayers and obeisances. Text 114 to 122. प्रेमावेशे हासी कांदी नृत्य गीत कैला देखी सर्वलोकेर चित्ते चमत्कार हैला आश्चर्य सुनिया लोक आइला देखी बारे प्रभु रूप प्रेम देखी हैला चमत्कारे दर्शने वैष्णव हैला बोले कृष्ण हरि प्रेमावेशे नाचे लोक ऊर्ध्व बाहु करी कृष्ण नाम लोक मुखे सुनी अभिराम सही लोक वैष्णव कैला अन्य सब ग्राम एई मत परंपराय देश वैष्णव हैल कृष्ण नामामृत वन्याय देश भाषाई कतक क्षणे प्रभु यदि बाह्य प्रकाशिला कूर्मेर सेवक बहु सम्मान करीला जय ग्रामे जाय तहाँ एई व्यवहार एक ठाई कहिला ना कहिबा आर बार कूर्म नामे से ग्रामे वैदिक ब्राह्मण बहु श्रद्धा भक्ति कैला प्रभुर निमंत्रण घरे आनी प्रभुर कैला पाद प्रक्षालन से जल वंश सहित करीला भक्षण. Translation. While at this place, Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was in his usual ecstasy of love of Godhead and was laughing, crying, dancing and chanting. Everyone who saw him was astonished. After hearing of these wonderful occurrences, everyone came to see him there. When they saw the beauty of the Lord and his ecstatic condition, they were all struck with wonder. Just by seeing Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, everyone became a devotee. They began to chant Krishna and Hari and all the holy names. They all were merged in a great ecstasy of love, and they began to dance, raising their arms. Always hearing them chant the holy names of Lord Krishna, the residents of all the other villages also became Vaishnavas. By hearing the holy name of Krishna, the entire country became Vaishnava. It was as if the nectar of the holy name of Krishna overflooded the entire country. After some time, when Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu manifested his external consciousness, a priest of the Lord Kurma deity gave him various offerings. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mode of preaching has already been explained, and I shall not repeat the explanation. In whichever village the Lord entered, his behavior was the same. In one village there was a Vedic Brahman named Kurma. He invited Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to his home with great respect and devotion. This Brahmana brought Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to his home, washed his lotus feet, and with his family members drank that water. Text 123 to 128. अनेक प्रकार स्नेहे भिक्षा कराइला, गोसाईर शेष अन्न सब वंशे खाइला। जय पाद पद्म तोमार ब्रह्मा ध्यान करे, सेई पाद पद्म साक्षात आइला मोर घरे। मोर भाग्यर सीमा ना जाय कहन, आजी मोर श्लाघ्य हैला जन्म कुल धन। कृपा कर प्रभु मोरे, जाय जान तोमा संगे, सहिते ना पारी दुख विषय तरंगे। प्रभु कहे ऐछे बात कभू ना कहिबा, ग्रहे रही कृष्ण नाम निरंतर लैबा। जारे देख तारे कहो कृष्ण उपदेश, आमार आज्ञाय गुरु हैया तारो ei देश। Translation: With great affection and respect, that Kurma Brahmin made Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu eat all kinds of food. After that, the remnants were shared by all the members of the family. The Brahmana then began to pray, O my Lord, your lotus feet are meditated upon by Lord Brahma, and these very lotus feet have come into my home. My dear Lord, there is no limit to my great fortune. It cannot be described. Today my family, birth and riches have all been glorified. The Brahmana begged the Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, my dear Lord, kindly show me favor and let me go with you. I can no longer tolerate the waves of misery caused by materialistic life. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu replied, don't speak like that again. Better to remain at home and chant the holy name of Krishna always. Instruct everyone to follow the orders of Lord Sri Krishna as they are given in the Bhagavad Gita and Srimad Bhagavatam. In this way, become a spiritual master and try to liberate everyone in this land. Text 129 to 133. कभू ना बाढ़ीबे तोमार विषय तरंग, पुनरपि एई ठाई पाबे मोर संग। एई मत जार गरे करे प्रभु भिक्षा, से ऐछे कहे तारे कराए एई शिक्षा। पथे जाइते देवालये रहे जेई ग्रामे, जार गरे भिक्षा करे सेई महाजने। कूर्मे जैछे रीति तैछे कैलास सर्वठाई, नीलाचले पुनः जावत ना आइला गोसाई। अतएव यहाँ कहिलाम करिया विस्तार, यही मत जानिबे प्रभुर सर्वत्र व्यवहार। Translation: Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu further advised the Brahman Kurma, if you follow this instruction, your materialistic life at home will not obstruct your spiritual advancement. Indeed, if you follow these regulative principles, we will again meet here, or rather, you will never lose my company. At whosoever house Sri Chaitanya accepted his alms by taking prasadam, he would convert the dwellers to his Sankirtan movement and advise them just as he advised the Brahmana named Kurma. While on his tour, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu would spend the night at a temple or on the roadside whenever he accepted food from a person. He would give him the same advice he gave the Brahmana named Kurma. He adopted this process until he returned to Jagannath Puri from his South Indian tour. Thus, I have described the Lord's behavior elaborately in the case of Kurma. In this way, you will know Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's dealings throughout South India. Text 134 to 143. ए मत सई रात्रि तहाई रहीला प्रातः काले प्रभु स्नान करिया चलीला प्रभुर अनुव्रजी कूर्म बहु दूर आइला प्रभु तारे यत्न करी गरे पाठाइला। वासुदेव नाम एक द्विज महाशय सर्वांगे गलित कुष्ठ ताते कीड़ा में अंग हिते एई कीड़ा खसिया पड़े उठाइया से कीड़ा राखे से ठाता। रात्रि ते सुनीला तेहो गोसाई रागमन देखी बारे आइला प्रभाते कूर्मेर भवन। प्रभुर गमन कूर्म मुखे ते सुनिया भूमि ते पड़ीला दुखे मूर्छित हया। अनेक प्रकार विलाप करीते लागिला से क्षणे आसी प्रभु तारे आलंगीला। प्रभु स्पर्शे दुख संगे कुष्ठ दूरे गेल आनंद सहिते अंग सुंदर है। प्रभुर कृपा देखी तार विस्मय हैल मन श्लोक पड़ी पाए धरी करे स्तवन। क्वाहम दरिद्र पापियान क्व कृष्ण श्री निकेतन ब्रह्म बंधुर इति स्माहम बाहुभ्याम परिरंभितः। Translation. Thus Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu would remain at night in one place and the next morning after bathing he would start again. When Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu left, the Brahman Kurma followed him a great distance, but eventually Lord Chaitanya took care to send him back home. There was also a Brahman named Vasudev who was a great person but was suffering from leprosy. Indeed, his body was filled with living worms. Although suffering from leprosy, the Brahman Vasudev was enlightened. As soon as one worm fell from his body, he would pick it up and place it back again in the same location. Then one night, Vasudev heard of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's arrival, and in the morning he came to see the Lord at the house of Kurma. When the leper Vasudev came to Kurma's house to see Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he was informed that the Lord had already left. The leper then fell to the ground unconscious. When Vasudev, the leper Brahman, was lamenting due to not being able to see Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, the Lord immediately returned to that spot and embraced him. When Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu touched him, both the leprosy and his distress went to a distant place. Indeed, Vasudev's body became very beautiful to his great happiness. The Brahman Vasudev was astonished to behold the wonderful mercy of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and he began to recite a verse from Srimad Bhagavatam touching the Lord's lotus feet. He said, "Who am I, a sinful poor friend of a Brahmin, and who is Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, full in 6 opulences? Nonetheless, he has embraced me with his 2 arms." Text 144 to 151. बहु स्तुति करी कहे सुन दयामय जीवे ए गुण नाही तो माते जे है मोरे देखी मोर गंधे पलाए पामर हे न मोरे स्पर्श तुम्ही स्वतंत्र ईश्वर किंतु आछिलाम भाल अधम हैया ये बे अहंकार मोर जन्मी बे आसिया प्रभु कहे कभू तोमार ना हबे अभिमान निरंतर कह तुम्ही कृष्ण कृष्ण नाम कृष्ण उपदेशी कर जीवेर निस्तार अचिराते कृष्ण तोमा करिबे न अंगीकार एतेक कहिया प्रभु कैला अंतर्धाने दुई विप्र गला गली कांदे प्रभुर गुणे वासुदेव उद्धार ए कहिला आख्यान वासुदेवामृत प्रद हैला प्रभुर नाम एत कहिला प्रभुर प्रथम गमन कूर्म दर्शन Vasudev Vimochan. Translation. The Brahman Vasudev continued, O my merciful Lord, such mercy is not possible for ordinary living entities. Such mercy can be found only in you. Upon seeing me, even a sinful person goes away due to my bad bodily odor. Yet you have touched me. Such is the independent behavior of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Being meek and humble, the Brahman Vasudev worried that he would become proud after being cured by the grace of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. To protect the Brahmin, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu advised him to chant the Hare Krishna Mahamantra insistently. By doing so, continuously, by doing so, he would never become unnecessarily proud. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also advised Vasudev to preach about Krishna and thus liberate living entities. As a result, Krishna would very soon accept him as his devotee. After instructing the Brahman Vasudev in that way, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu disappeared from that place. Then the two Brahmanas, Kurma and Vasudev, embraced each other and began to cry, remembering the transcendental qualities of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Thus I have described how Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu reclaimed the leper Vasudev and so received the name Vasudevamrita Prada. Thus I end my description of the beginning of the tour of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He is visiting the temple of Kurma and is liberating the leper Brahmana Vasudeva. Text 152 to 155. श्रद्धा करी यही लीला जे करे श्रवण अचिराते मिले तारे चैतन्य चरण चैतन्य लीलार आदि अंत नाही जानी सही लिखी जई महांतेर मुखे सुनी इथे अपराध मोर ना लइयो भक्तगण तोमा सबार चरण मोरा एकांत शरण श्री रूप रघुनाथ पदे जा राश चैतन्य चरितामृत कहे कृष्णदास. One who hears these pastimes of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu with great faith will surely very soon attain the lotus feet of Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. I admit that I do not know the beginning or the end of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's pastimes. However, whatever I have written, I have heard from the mouths of great personalities. O devotees, please do not consider my offences in this regard. Your lotus feet are my only shelter. Praying at the lotus feet of Sri Rupa and Sri Raghunath always, desiring their mercy, I, Krishnadas, narrate Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita following their footsteps. So here ends the 7th chapter of Madhya Leela of Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita of Srila Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami. Again, whenever I get time, I will continue the same. Hari Bol, Dandat Pranam.